Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk a little bit about our kayak racks. And these are sold in sets of, for two boats. They hold two boats. This is one half. This would be an example to hold one boat. They come with all the parts to mount onto your luggage racks. The vehicle would have to have racks that go from driver's side to passenger side. And they're usually like an oval luggage type rack. Comes with the parts to bolt it onto the rack. These racks are foldable, so when you're not using it to transport a boat, you can fold them down, save a little bit on gas, avoid any obstacles. They hold most major kayak brands that are out there. This particular set is not painted because this one is our top of the line stainless steel, which of course stainless steel impervious to all kinds of weather, but we do have them in all of these colors. All these colors. Whatever color you want, we got them all.